Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive the Huracan Evo. First, let's get comfortable inside. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the cockpit. You'll find the engine start/stop button under a red cover, typically on the center console. The gear selectors, including reverse and park, are also centrally located. Pay attention to the Anima drive mode selector on the steering wheel. It's crucial for changing the car's character. To start the Huracan Evo, ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal, then lift the red cover and press the start button. Once the engine roars to life, you can engage a gear. Pull the right paddle shifter towards you to select first gear or press the R button for reverse. Release the parking brake, then gently apply the accelerator. The car is powerful, so smooth inputs are key for an easy drive. The Anima selector allows you to choose between different driving personalities. Strata mode is your everyday setting, offering a comfortable ride and smooth power delivery. For a more engaging experience, switch to Sport mode. It sharpens throttle response and amplifies the exhaust note. If you're on a track, Corsa mode unleashes the car's full potential, providing the most aggressive settings for engine, transmission, and suspension. For a more immersive driving experience, use the paddle shifters to manually change gears. The Huracan Evo is incredibly powerful, so always be mindful of its acceleration and braking capabilities. It's equipped with advanced systems like all-wheel drive and dynamic steering to assist you. Remember to drive responsibly, respect speed limits, and always prioritize safety on public roads. Enjoy the thrill of driving this amazing machine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.